Welcome to my channel. Today we will start trigonometry and bearing exercise 6.5. This exercise is related to the applications of the trigonometry in our daily life. So here is the first question. In the first question, form a point at a distance of 20 meters from a tree. So consider this line, and this is the point which is 20 meters away from the tree. This line is the horizontal line. If from the horizontal line we are looking upward, our line of sight is upward, we are looking up, the angle is known as the angle of elevation. So here this is our angle of elevation to the top of the tree. This angle is given, which is 30 degrees. We have to find the height of the tree. So in this way a complete triangle is constructed. For example, its name is ABC. This is an angle A, angle B and angle C. The side names are AC, AB and BC. So BC is the height of the tree. In this question we have to find the perpendicular, which is the height of the tree, and the base is given and the angle of the triangle is given. So we use the tan theta because the tan theta is equals to the perpendicular divided by base. So putting the value of angle and the base, and after doing some mathematical work, we will get the height of the tree, which is 11.55 meters. Now moving on to the question number 2, the length of the shadow of 10 meter high pole is 10 under root 3 meters. We need to find the angle of elevation of the sun which is causing that shadow. So here is the line representing the shadow. It is a horizontal line. From this horizontal line where the shadow is ending, we are looking upward. So when we look upward, the angle of elevation is formed with the horizontal line. So the shadow length is 10 under root 3 meter, and this is the dotted line is representing our angle of elevation or our line of sight. So our angle of elevation is theta. This is the value we have to find in this question. And further information that we have the height of the pole. The height of the pole is equals to 10 meter. Now this is a triangle. So this is a triangle A, B and C. Now naming the vertices of this triangle, angle A, angle B, and this is the angle C. So the side AC is equals to 10 under root 3 meters, and AB is hypotenuse and BC is the perpendicular, the length of the pole, which is 10 meter. Now we have the perpendicular value and we have the base value. So we can use the ratio tan of theta. By definition, the tan of theta is equals to perpendicular divided by base. So tan theta is equals to BC divided by AC. Putting the value of perpendicular and base into the tan theta ratio, we will get tan theta is equals to 1 over under root 3. So theta is equals to tan inverse of 1 over under root 3. The angle for which tan is 1 over under root 3 is 30 degree. So this is the angle of elevation of the sun, which is causing a shadow with the pole. Now moving on to the third question, the window of a room in a shape of equilateral triangle, the length of each side is 1.6 meter. So here is our equilateral triangle whose all sides are equal. We need to find the height of the window. So we can need the base of the triangle, but we have the full length of the window, which is equals to 1.6 meter. If we divide this 1.6 meter divided by 2, we will get the base of our triangle, which is equals to 0.8 meter. Now we have the base of the triangle and we have the hypotenuse 1.6 meter of the triangle. So we need to calculate the perpendicular. So in that case, when two sides are given, we need a third side. We preferably use the Pythagoras theorem. So here is the Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Putting the value of hypotenuse and base, we will get the value of perpendicular, which is equals to 1.385. So the height of the window is equals to 1.39 meters. Now moving on to the fourth question. The height of the slide in a children park is 5 meter. This is the height of the slide, which is equals to 5 meter. A girl standing at the top of the slide observed that angle of depression of its bottom is 30 degree. This is the horizontal line, and from that horizontal line the angle of depression is 30 degree towards the bottom of the slide, and this line is representing the length of the slide, which is we have to find in this problem. We also know that the two parallel lines have equal alternate angles. So if this angle is 30 degree, the angle formed at the bottom on the alternate side should be equals to the 30 degree, because the base is parallel with the above horizontal line. So in this way our triangle is formed here. In this triangle we have the perpendicular value and we have the angle. We need to find the hypotenuse. So perpendicular divided by hypotenuse is equals to the sine of theta. So sine of theta should be used here. So putting the value of angle and perpendicular, doing some mathematical work, multiplying with hypotenuse both the side, and we will get hypotenuse into 1 by 2 is equals to 5, and then multiply with 2 on both the side, we will get the value of hypotenuse, which is equals to 10. So the length of the slide is equals to 10 meter. In this video I will solve only the 4 questions. The remaining 6 questions will be solved in my next video. If you like my video and get understanding from these videos, you can share it with your friends. Thank you very much.